Welcome back to Chips to Cherries Healthy E-Recipe section. Here we have Mahima again. Hi Mahima.
Hi.
And she's going to prepare a fruit and curd chaat for us. So let's see the ingredients.
Start?
Yeah. I'll just show you the ingredients. So this is nice cute red beads of pomegranate.
Yes.
Then this is de-skinned apples chopped.
In this case, you can add any fruit.
Any fruit, yeah.
Like that small, only thing, pineapple you can use.
Correct, yeah.
Watermelon is not necessary, but
correct,
if this thing is there, pears also.
Pears, yeah. Whichever is not very watery,
yes,
those fruits can be used. And you also need half a teaspoon of sugar maybe. Then you have this black salt. Then pepper,
and on the top chaat masala, and little of pudina powder.
Yeah, so pudina. So pudina patta is also required part of the dish. Okay, Mahima.
If you
how do we?
One more thing, I want to tell. If you want, you can add honey on the top of it.
Oh,
if you want, because honey is very healthy.
Yeah. So instead of sugar, we can also use honey. Great. Okay.
Or over 1 spoon on the top.
Yeah.
You can
so we can just drizzle honey. Yeah.
So this is the curd.
Right.
I'm going to put it. Okay. For honey, if you want to, don't put water. If you want, put water. In place of that, substitute is little milk.
Yeah.
Milk also you can put. Okay.
Great. Okay. So we are having here the curd, and to the curd she's added a few 1 tablespoon of milk. If not, you can even add water.
Water, yes.
Yeah.
Then to this you can add sugar, little sugar. You want to go calling sugar? That is according to your taste. Okay. That
so
is
sugar. Yeah.
According to your taste, because it depends upon the curd. If it is sour, you have to add more
sugar.
And if
right. So I think it's preferably you can take freshly fermented curd, fresh curd.
Yes.
Yeah.
So. Then to this add all this whatever this thing is there.
Correct. Now we add all the ingredients to it.
It's actually very delicious. You can keep it in the fridge for a long time and then you can have it.
Great. Okay. So I think it will also serve like a raita.
Raita.
With all the pulauts and parathas.
Everything.
Yeah.
You can have it nicely.
Okay.
On the top of it you can add.
To this we add black salt. Okay. Yeah.
Black pepper.
Yeah, we add black pepper.
Then chaat masala we will put in the end.
Okay.
Like this you will add it. It is very good actually. You can take it with the chapati, anything you can have it.
Yeah.
And if you want to add, you can put little honey on the top of it.
On the top of it.
For the thing. And for this you can add little of pudina patta. That is actually very good. Pudina itself is very good in everything. Tulsi, pudina, anything you can add.
Correct.
It is good actually.
So this dish is highly less calorific. So something very nice about it. You can actually use even de-skimmed or de-fattened curd.
Yes.
So that will also reduce calories and fat to a large extent. And I believe that this is going to be a great dish, Mahima, for all sorts of main course meals.
Yes. Of course, you can put ice also on the top of it.
Oh, great.
Because you can keep it in the fridge. No. Then if you are making it, after making it, you can keep it in the fridge for some time.
Correct.
So that all the things should, because these fruits can take everything.
All the flavor will be taken. And now should we add the chaat masala?
You can add it on the top of it.
So I'm just drizzling a few pinches of chaat masala.
On the top of it.
And
this
is fruit and curd chaat ready for you.
Ready.
Thanks a lot, Mahima. This is like one super dish by you. Thanks a lot.